Critical significance of voltage management prior to and following the activation of MediaTek mobile devices. It ensures that all components operate effectively and establishes a foundation for subsequent troubleshooting and repair processes. Furthermore, the discussion explores the integral role of capacitors in the charging and operation of mobile devices. In particular, attention is given to the ghost capacitor, which is essential for sustaining battery performance throughout usage. In addition, the video elucidates the distribution of various voltages within MediaTek devices at startup, a fundamental aspect of the device's functionality that is crucial for effective repairs. The mobile power switch functions within a specific voltage range, activating the device when the power key is pressed. This activation process is characterized by distinct voltage levels assigned to different operational functions. Moreover, the R crystal frequency is indispensable for the proper operation of the CPU and connectivity features such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Any discrepancy in frequency can obstruct the mobile device from powering on. Voltage fluctuations across various lines significantly influence the overall performance of the device, particularly in relation to the modem and processor. Therefore, maintaining accurate voltage levels is imperative for optimal mobile functionality. The video further investigates the formation of three distinct voltages within a circuit, accentuating their essential roles in power management and the overall functionality of the device. There is also a focus on specific components such as coils and regulators, elucidating their impact on voltage stability and device performance. In addition to hardware considerations, the necessity of software in voltage regulation for mobile devices is highlighted, indicating that optimal functionality hinges on the seamless integration of both hardware and software. The cuckoo component emerges as a critical element for voltage management, linked to specific circuit areas. Its operational function is vital for the overall performance of the mobile system. The delineation of bus lines elucidates how power is allocated across various components, revealing that comprehension of this distribution is key for effective troubleshooting and enhancing circuit performance. Capacitors, connected in series, significantly influence voltage levels, which are crucial for system operations. They play a pivotal role in stabilizing power flow throughout the circuit. Moreover, the significance of base voltage is emphasized, particularly base 1 and base 2, which are essential for the efficiency and operation of the CPU. This strategic division facilitates optimized power management. The video also elucidates the critical nature of the reset signal for the CPU, as it guarantees stability and functionality. This reset process is essential for the device's proper operation. Lastly, the interrelationship between software stability and voltage levels is discussed, emphasizing that proper voltage is essential for reliable software performance in mobile devices. This connection is key to mitigating operational glitches.